Lights, camera, action!
Letter B, light.
Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are here to present you our lighting final tape for Northfield Foundation project. Me and my team members will guide you through each area of our lighting design choices, explaining how each element contributes to a functional and visually pleasing environment.
I'll begin with the Northfield office. For this office space, we prioritize task-oriented lighting to enhance productivity. We use recess-mounted lights that provide ample brightness without glare. The arrangement creates a balanced lighting distribution that complements the work environment. You'll also notice some accent lights to highlight design elements, adding a modern touch. As for the manager's office, for this space, we use suspended light with a soft focused glow that provides adequate task lighting without overwhelming the area. The choice of lights reflects a professional and calm atmosphere, supporting the concentration and comfort of the manager's working room.
Next is the seminar hall. The seminar hall is equipped with two lighting solutions, and these are the Green Space G6 downlights provide uniform, energy-efficient illumination, ensuring a bright and welcoming atmosphere while reducing energy consumption. Meanwhile, the Green Perform Trophy LED fixtures deliver high-quality, cool white light, ideal for maintaining focus and alertness during long-term seminars or presentations. Both systems contribute to a sustainable environment, long-lasting, low-maintenance lighting that offers operational cost and minimize the hall's carbon footprint.
Moving on to the food preparation area. This space required high CRI or color rendering index lighting to ensure accurate color distinction, which is essential for food safety and presentation. We selected suspended LED fixtures that provide ample lighting while maintaining an energy-efficient setup. The suspended lighting also adds a contemporary touch to the overall design.
For our conference room 1 and 2, as you can see on our mood board, we selected overhead LED fixtures that provide even illumination across the table and seating areas. This lighting ensures clarity and visibility for presentations, discussions, and collaborative work. The choice of fixtures add to the room's professional aesthetic, creating a space that feels both inviting and functional for meetings.
In conclusion, our lighting design for each area of a Northfield Foundation building is tailored to meet the specific needs of the space and its users. We've carefully selected fixtures and layouts to enhance both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring a cohesive and comfortable environment. Thank you for your attention, and we're happy to answer any questions